create new remote methods on models in the Loopback application. It can be used to add business logic around manipulating instances of the model data. Let's use the Loopback remote method command. Let's create a populate method on the city model. Enter the remote method name. Let's do pop. Is static? No. Description for method is populate the city. Let's provide a path for the endpoint. /pop. It's a post verb. Let's add another endpoint. No. What is the name of the argument? Let's say count. It's a number. It is required. Number of people to populate. Let's keep it as auto. Another argument, no. The name of the output argument would be result. It's an object. Yes, let's make it a full response body. Result of population. Let's add another return, none. So Loopback Group gives you a sample code to plug into your model. They also provide metadata around the remote method, which we just did. Populate, accepts, returns, description, HTTP path, verb. Let's plug in this code. I've added more code to customize the method. You get the count as an argument, and you can check if it's less than or equal. You can validate the number, and if it doesn't meet the validation, then you can create a error object with the status code. This is your HTTP status code and a message back in your API, and you can respond back in the API. If the condition is good and met, then you can create a result object responding to the API with the status message indicating that the method passed. Like no errors, and there's a result. Now, after you respond, you can also persist the data. In this case, it would be in MongoDB. So that's how you can add this business logic in your remote method. Let's start the node server. Go to the API Explorer and try out the method. City now has a populate endpoint. Let's get a city ID. Let's get Paris. And let's populate the city. Let's provide a negative number. All right, this is the error code we configured. You need to populate with one or more people. Let's give a positive number. Region populated by 23 people. And that is per the remote method details that you provided.